With over 40 million installs globally and thousands of businesses and schools using our Google Slides Translator, let me show you why Automagical App's Slides Translator is the best way to translate your Google Slides to one of over 100 different languages with a snap. Automagical App's Slides Translator runs right within the sidebar in your Google Slides. And first you can choose a language to translate to. There's over 100 to choose from. You can also select a translation engine, and that could be Google, DeepL, or Gemini. If I choose any text or any slide and hit translate, it will translate that text or slide while retaining the style and the formatting. If I hit translate all slides, it will translate my entire Google Slides presentation with a single click, regardless of length. With the translate images function, I can take any image and translate it to a different language. So if I select Korean and select this image here with translate images on, you can see this image in English. This function will translate this to Korean, but make the text editable. So I'm not stuck with the text as it is. I can move it around, change the font, the color, the format, and more, as you can see right here. All right, we've covered the obvious. You can translate your slides, but there's a lot more features under the hood. You can quickly make a copy of your translated slides with a single click. You can translate the speaker notes. You can even add a glossary. So if you want to translate specific words in a certain way to a different language, you can turn on the glossary. It will create it in Google Sheets, and you can edit your glossary there. You can also summarize your slides. And last but not least, you can narrate your slides in any language, and you can also transcribe your speech in any language. So I can speak in Spanish into my Google Slides and have it written right into the slide. One last thing, if you're already translating Google Slides, but you also need to translate PDFs, Google Forms, Microsoft Docs, PowerPoint, Excel, images, video, or anything else that lives in your Google Drive, check out our sister product, Automagical Translate, which can translate all of those files directly from your Google Drive and in batch. And there you have it, translating Google Slides made super simple. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support@automagicalapps.com or just go to automagicalapps.com to see all of the products that we build.